Hello everyone, I'm Big Fat Bunny. Today I'm going to introduce a magic cure that is an old Chinese method to cure your cough. Winter is here, everybody is coughing, carry the germs around. Half of my colleague is dying of the cold, the germs. I was quite poorly a few days ago. I tried your cough mixture. It's sold in supermarket. But the trouble with normal cough mixture, if you take too much, myself, I start vomiting. Then I find some blood in my phlegm. It was horrible. But listen to me now. After 2 days, I'm fully recovered because of this magical ingredients. Everybody must try it out. Only 3 ingredients. Honey, I bought this one this morning. Sesame oil, or if you don't have toasted sesame oil, have any olive oil will do. Then vinegar, any sort of vinegar will do. Apple cider vinegar, normal matte vinegar. Today I'm going to use Chinese vinegar because I like the taste of this one. Okay, so that's just alternatives. Let me show you how to make this, guys. I'm not making this up. It is magic. My mom told me this because I couldn't take any more. I don't like the sweets. I worried about my teeth. And I couldn't take English cough mixture because I keep vomiting. After half an hour, then my dinner will be vomited up. But after this, I promise you, after 2 hours, you're supposed to take 3 or 4 times a day. After 2 or 3 hours, you can feel the difference. Let's start. Okay, guys, so now we're left with these 3 ingredients. Let's mix them together. I like my honey to be solidified honey. You can buy raw honey. That's easier. I'm gonna mix this together. Okay. I have a little Chinese bowl. Okay. A big teaspoon of this. It's a tablespoon, isn't it? A big tablespoon of honey. Put it in here. Then I measure the same amount. Let me find another spoon. I'll measure the same amount of vinegar. I'm gonna pour the vinegar into with my honey. Then half a spoon of this toasted sesame oil. I'm doing the video by myself. I'm not sure how to do it. Wait a minute, sorry. I'm not sure how to do this. Okay, now I'm gonna pour this vinegar into my honey, together with my honey. It's about the same amount, or a little bit more, doesn't matter. It's really good for you. I suppose this is more like English, what's it called? Honey lemon. Okay, honey and a lemon. Then I use half a spoon of this. Okay. Half a spoon of toasted sesame oil. Let me show you how it looks like. It looks like this. Mix them well. Okay, after I mix them together, it looks like a liquid like this. I know it looks disgusting, but trust me, they do not taste that bad. They do not taste bad. Okay, what we're gonna do is, each time we're gonna take a tiny little bit like this. Okay, let me try it out for you guys, just in case you're terrified. Okay, I'm not that mad. This really works. This is an old Chinese method. Okay, let me try it out for you. Each time, you're not supposed to drink this all at once. You're supposed to drink it each time this much. Okay, I can feel something is happening. On Saturday, I lost my voice. I found blood in my phlegm. I start vomiting. And my cough mixture, not this one, the one I bought from supermarket. I cough. The cough mixture vomited out, and then my dinner vomited out. So for 2 days I didn't eat much because I kept vomiting. Okay, now today is Wednesday. Yesterday I feel so good. Although I still cough, I cough a lot. I mean, I just cough a lot. I think something wrong with my my lung, but I feel so much better. I feel so much better. Okay, drink more. You're supposed to take this, even if you feel like you recovered, supposed to take this 4 or 5 days more. Don't worry about it, this won't hurt you. If you lost your voice, honey will restore your voice, kind of a healing in honey, some healing things. And the vinegar, I suppose, like, works with the honey. I'm not sure what the oil does, but it does work, guys. You got to believe me. Try this out, please. It's really, really good. Okay, guys, I have taken most of them. My throat, after taking this, feel a bit sore, but it's a nice way, nice kind of soreness, not bad. Feels nice and soothing. Feels like all the germs kind of being killed. Okay, try this out. The magic cure for coughing. Hope this video is useful to you, and hope everyone stay healthy. Don't catch a cold. Try not to. Okay, see you next time. Bye.